Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to replace the battery in your key fob. This one is specifically for a 2015 Kia Optima. The first thing we want to do is remove the actual key. We can do that by pushing down on this little release lever and pulling the key out. Luckily Kia was smart with their design of this remote because we can actually replace the battery without the need of any tools. We can use the flat end of the key here, insert it into the slot of the remote, and twist. That should make a gap for us to just pry it open the rest of the way. And there's the battery. We can then use the key to pry the old battery out. I like to use the corner. And the battery that we're going to need to purchase is the CR2032, and that's a 3-volt battery. Luckily this battery is quite common and it can be purchased at your local Walmart. Mine has a 2-pack for around $5. And to reinstall, we can take our new battery, make sure that the flat side with the logo and the positive are face down. Slide that into the remote. Ensure that everything is flush. Next we can take the other half of the remote, line everything up, and push it back together. Reinsert the key, and there we are. I hope this video was helpful and informative, and if you could, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.